The word family of N. Using word families can help teach beginning spellers that words contain and share patterns. Use this word family list to introduce the sound of words ending with en. E, N, N, N,
D. And den.
N, and man. N,
H. And hen.
N,
W.
and when. N,
Ye.
and yen. N,
T.
and ten. N,
P.
and pen. N,
Were.
and wren. N,
B.
and bin. N, and fen. Let's go ahead and write some other en words. Children. Then. Open. Amen. Gentlemen. Try reading all the en words by yourself.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel